This is Silk. Silk and I are playing. We're playing fetch. Because Silk loves to play. Don't you, Silk? You're particularly fond of these kind of things, balls and stuff. But you also love dangly things, don't you, Silk? Silk is in a room here at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire with other kitties. And you like other kitties too. Are you just perfect? Huh? Where'd you go? Well, you're going to show how cute you are, huh? You are very, very attractive. What's that? We've been playing for a while. So Silk might be a little tired out. Are you? That's a funny little toy. Makes a noise. Go get it, Silk. Go get it. You're a good soccer player, Silk. Hello. What a pretty kitty. Your tail's getting better. Yeah, your tail's growing the fur in from that awful mat that you had on it. Okay. Whoops. I just bumped into the walls or into the catwalk. Yeah, hard to get you, Silk. You're just really rather active, huh? Oh, you're a good kitty. What a love. Hi, Silk. Yeah, you want your dinner. Okay, I go get dinner. Bye-bye.